Hi, I'm Rustin Ledke, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Kato Cable. From battery cables to wire harnesses, Kato Cable has an extensive assortment of products and solutions for the power sports market. You'll find our products on a wide range of exciting recreational vehicles, including jet skis, snowmobiles, pontoon boats, and more. Kato Cable's engineering team has extensive knowledge when it comes to these specialized vehicles. Our vast experience in designing applications for this high-performance market delivers the right solution for the most demanding customer. We also offer both Kanban and service part solutions to provide a true end-to-end application. Connect with our sales team to learn more about our solutions in the power sports market or to schedule a tour of our world-class facility.